testimonial for Vipin. He was
How the management, how was the
very
entire coordination of the team?
excellent. Everything was excellent. पर उसने मेरे 2-3 लोगों को रूम नहीं दिया ठीक से.
Oh God, Vipin, he's going to forgive you for that.
No. Jokes apart, I would recommend Vipin to nearly everybody. Anybody who's doing any event, and if they ask me, I would not hesitate in saying, get Vipin. And I think it was very good. I think they were very accommodating. I think they understood what our requirement was, and then they did what we wanted, and they did it in a very, I would say, budget conscious way. And we have absolutely no, क्या बोलते हैं यार, no complaints. In fact, we are very happy. Nice to have met Vipin.
I think Vipin has been my savior throughout, and he knows that. He's laughing away at the back. Because just last moment, just last night, I remembered that in the morning at 7 o'clock is going to be a Gharoli function. So that's actually a little matka. So like at 1 o'clock at night, I said, Vipin, I forgot that. And the matka, I saying, ma'am, at this time, poor guy, I think he tried from his uncle's house who lives next door, but they were sleeping. But I don't know how he managed. He managed to get me a matka at 1 o'clock at night. And I will never forget that. That was a very big thing to me. It was my fault. I forgot. I don't know what happened, I just forgot about it. But I don't know, the last moment also, he managed to get it. And that's how in the morning I could do the function. So thanks, Vipin, once again. So love, V.